Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 30th September 2020. Sweet children, first of all, be concerned about I, a soul, am covered in rust, and think how to remove the rust from the soul. For as long as the needle is rusty, the magnet will not be able to attract it. Question: what effort do you children have to make at the most elevated confluence age in order to become the most elevated human beings? Answer: the effort to become karmatit. Your intellect should not be pulled by any karmic relationships. This means that no karmic bondage should pull you. Your total connection should be with the one Father. Your heart should not be attached to anyone. Make such effort. Don't waste your time in gossiping. Practice staying in remembrance. Song: Awaken, O brides, awaken. The new age is about to come. Essence for Dharana. First point: just as the Father, in the form of the teacher, teaches you and has mercy for everyone, in the same way, have mercy for yourself and others. Pay full attention to studying and following Srimad. Reform your character. Second point: don't break your intellect's yoga away from the Father by gossiping among yourselves about useless, routine things of the past. Do not perform any sinful acts. Stay in remembrance and remove the rust. Blessing: may you be a conqueror of matter and make all the powers cooperate with you and work under your orders. The greatest servant of all is matter. The children who receive the blessing of being conquerors of matter have all powers and matter working under their orders as their servant. They cooperate at any time of need. However, if instead of being a conqueror of matter, you waste your time sleeping in carelessness, in the intoxication of having temporary attainments, or being intoxicated in some dance of waste thoughts, then the powers cannot work under your orders. Therefore, check first of all the main powers: the power to think, the power to decide, and the power of sanskars. Are all three in order? Slogan: continue to sing praise of Bap Dada and you will become an embodiment of virtues. Om Shanti.